If you've ever watched Jamaican television, be it CVM TV or TVJ, you will know that Jamaicans are a colorful people. It doesn't matter whether they're from downtown or uptown, whether they're from the ghetto or the country. And in this video, we're going to be showing you some of those classical and most iconic moments on Jamaican TV.
Because if 32 of us did win by 32 votes, we'd be skinning our 32 teeth right now because we'd be in government.
So can I get a wow? Wow! Can I get a wow? Wow! Walipa? Wow! We have a cramper. Wow!
She's on the run. Right on. Can I get a wow?
Wow!
What's the win?
Wow!
Walipa?
Wow!
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 Them like it?
Wow!
Oh!
Wow!
Oh!
Wow!
Oh!
Wow!
Wow!
It's only who can manage the water, or if we are around to help them, lift them over. It's only so them can to come over. Nobody can cross it. It's only who understand it. Like a fisherman and a fisherwoman who can swim. Okay, if you cannot swim, trust me, you're going to St. Thomas Pond. We need some assistance. We need a bridge right here in Roberts Field. Because not even the kids them can go to school. The last time hurricane was dead up to bury up the top, and nothing could happen. So like, we lock away in the wilderness.
Also pickpocket people looking decent and nice, and they are very pickpocket. I want my purse, I'm $100 for my daughter, and I want it up like now too.
Dollars. Would go at 10 cents. Of $1,000 is $1. No, if you're going to $100. 10 cents. 10 cents. Withdrawal of $1,000, $1. For a withdrawal of $400, the levy would be $400, and 400,000 would be $4,000.
No, $400.
$400.
He then tried again.
Let me go through it again. For a withdrawal of $1,000, the levy would be $1. For a withdrawal of $100,000, it would be $10. For a withdrawal of $400,000, it would be $400.
The second time wasn't quite the charm. He still got something wrong. It's actually $100 to withdraw $100,000, not $10.
That's criminal dead. They're all Jamaicans, sir. They're all Jamaicans. There is gunman and thief and criminal in everywhere in the world. There is nobody down here that we are going to say that we are all innocent. But the point is, the people them, what are dead in, enough of them dead in front of their mothers.
Not, Roland, tell me, you were in, what happened? You were asleep?
Yes, Rosie and her family were sleeping. Waking up, feel water and waking up. Right through the house, through the bathroom, through every door, kitchen door, every door. Everything in the house flood out. When I talk about everything. No bed, no dead for sleep on. Settee, where you could have rest in a phone, where you could have make phone call and video for sure. Everything flood out. I want back every single piece of
So what happened? You were sleeping and...
We were sleeping.
Yeah, and?
We were sleeping,
Yeah.
hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming, say water. When you jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. That type of water was there. I want back everything. Cause from Olivia, a Sunlight Street, from here 2 months old, just born out of my mother. Left here. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street, so here me never have been seen my yard flood out yet. Or any house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never had been seen this yet. I there here before my maiden take and me never see it yet. So anybody see them lie, cause we never see it yet. I want back everything. Laptop, phone, everything. A 5 phone flood, I want back everybody. Name brand furniture, name brand bed, and name brand car. Everybody flood out and want back everything. So, baby can't catch meningitis. and shit water and gully water. The baby from my baby, my nephew baby will come up. She flood out too with her baby, nice, pretty, clean skin baby them. Flood out, not a pimples, mosquito bite, nothing. Right now, you know what can happen to them? Them need to go to hospital. And we need all type of something for clean out the germs. And the fly them starting at the house now, no come look again. And it can't go on, so. We have to do better.
What cause it? What cause it?
What cause it? The workman them cause everything. With all them cut the bridge and none of them not coming at the yard for come look or go on. If them you just fix back right there, sir, the house on the flood out. Is the bridge cause everything? Is this big contract what going on at Sunlight Street 21 and a half Sunlight Street Kingston 13 cause every single soul things what happen in my yard last night to this morning at 3:30 flooding. The baby them could have been drowned in. We need justice, real justice we need. Justice we need. One bag of furniture. And on a 30 grand bed in there and a 30 grand dresser. And a 30 grand fridge and a 30 grand rat nut. And a 30 grand and a 10 grand night table, touch lamp. Everybody, flat scream in there, mash up. Flood out the shit water and gully water. Nobody not come for look. Uncle the cameraman, it can't work so. We need justice. Justice. We need justice. We need justice over the yard there and the other yard. We need it. Can't you see the condition right in her? And the germs and the nasty. Right now on the left out, a fly started the place. Two baby there, they don't look good. Call the contractor. We need the contractor. For the work here, we start. We need him. We want back everybody. Everybody. We want disinfectant, GS, Dettol, soap powder, all type of things to clean out the house. The baby them get meningitis. Them are sick and dead. We want justice.
There you have it, some of these special moments on Jamaican TV that I'm sure you never get tired of watching. Now, what was your favorite moment and what is your favorite moment? Let me know in the comment section. Remember, you can subscribe to this channel, like the video, share with your friends as we continue on Jam Fit to celebrate the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad.